Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to check account status on TikTok. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is, of course, open your TikTok app and log into your account. Alright, so if you want to check your account status to know if you are evaluating any of TikTok community guideline, this video is for you. Alright, so if you want to do that, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Alright, so after that you have to click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and then you're going to see TikTok Studio. Tap on it. After that, all you have to do from here is to just scroll down and you are going to see these account check right here. Right, go ahead and select it, and then it will start running the account check for you. Right, as you can see, it says accounts in good standing, right, and it says thank you for following our community guidelines and helping us keep TikTok safe. Right, so if your account is not in good standing, TikTok is going to inform you after running an account check for you. Right, so that's how to actually check your account status on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.